What up, guys? Alright, so I was looking around on YouTube for a while. I couldn't find a video, or a proper video, on how to wire a 3-prong rocker switch to either my ignition or my starter. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Straight to the point. Alright. The green wire is the center, which would be my, I don't know, auxiliary or whatever the hell it's called. The black, if it will focus, is my negative. And it runs straight to my ignition, right? I have my positive running this way, straight into my harness. But the only thing is, this was spliced before with the white and the red, or the white and the black and the red, into a single red wire that went into this one. So I pretty much just jumped it from there to my switch to here. Now, let me show you what happens. Okay, all this is pretty much the power to my starter. Hold it in. Nothing, right? Now, flip the switch. And that's about it. Kind of loose, but there you go.